Hello, Gold Patrollers. Jeff Gold for the Gold Patrol here at Arapahoe County in Colorado on the James Holmes movie massacre trial. We're calling it theater shooting today. The media was all abuzz about the state's witness, the first psychiatrist for the state, Dr. Reid, who has 40 years experience. Instead of doing the normal dance that experts do, which are be qualified, go through their resume, we call it a curriculum vitae, ad nauseum sometimes, and then be qualified and then go over the underlying facts of his opinion, and then ultimately giving an opinion. This doctor gave his opinion that James Holmes was sane. In his words, he knew right from wrong before he was even qualified as an expert. Now that caused a stir. Ultimately, there was no challenge to his expertise, and he was admitted as an expert. And then, again, the prosecutor began to just try to establish some of the preliminary facts about what he examined and what facts he took into consideration, and then eventually would get to the opinion. But the witness again jumped to the conclusion, a premature conclusion, let us just say that, that James Holmes was sane. He knew right from wrong. This caused another stir. The defense is obviously making a motion about it, maybe to exclude the witness, or certainly, at very least, this testimony, which had no foundation, we call it. It is all interesting, but in the end, I don't think is going to cause the state much trouble. I think that he's ultimately going to be able to give that opinion. It's going to require the judge maybe to give a cautionary instruction that the witnesses need to have a foundation before they can give an opinion. In fact, the odd thing about it, I guess, is that George Brogler actually went through with this witness and said, what we're going to do is your credentials, then the facts upon which you made your opinion, and then of course your opinion, in the words to that effect, telegraphing exactly what he was going to do. And any witness who has been a forensic psychiatrist for 40 years certainly would know the drill. This is what we do every day in courts as lawyers with experts, and every expert knows how it happens. How this happened, we don't know. Sort of reminds me of a lay witness who's just scared and, you know, gets to the punchline because he wants to get out of there and go home. Maybe he had a place, vacation set up or something. I don't know. Anyway, this is what we're dealing with this morning. We are at the beginning of the psychiatric testimony. You can expect this to go on, then there to be testimony from more. Of course, the defense is going to have experts that say he certainly had a mental disease or defect which affected his ability to know right from wrong. Anyway, here we are at lunchtime at I'm back in Jody Harris in Arapahoe County, Colorado. Jeff Gold for the Gold Patrol.